Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Duo English Talk. Today we're talking about something super useful for beginners, asking a stranger for directions on the street. I'm Jake, by the way. Nice to meet you if you're new here.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma. Jake and I are good friends from the USA, and we love making these conversations feel real. So today, we're going to chat about getting lost, and how to ask for help without feeling nervous. Right, Jake?
Exactly. I still get a little nervous sometimes, even though I live here. Okay, let's start easy. Emma, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I had a nice walk before coming here. The sun is out today. How about you?
Not bad. I almost got lost on the way here. That reminds me of our topic. You know, asking strangers for directions can feel scary at first, especially if your English is still new. But it's actually not so bad once you try.
Yeah, I agree. I remember my first time in a big city. I was visiting New York alone. I needed to find the subway station, but I had no idea where it was. My phone battery was low too. So what did I do?
Tell me, what happened?
I took a deep breath and said, "Excuse me," to a lady walking by. I felt my heart beating fast. But she was really nice. She smiled and helped me right away.
That's awesome. See, most people want to help. They're not mean or anything. Okay, let's practice together. Imagine we're on a busy street. You're a bit lost. How would you start?
First, I would say something polite like, "Excuse me." That's important. It gets their attention nicely. Then, "Can you help me? I'm looking for the train station."
Good start, but let's make it even more natural. You can say, "Excuse me, do you know where the nearest train station is?" Or, "Sorry to bother you, but I'm lost. How do I get to the museum?"
Yes, "Sorry to bother you" sounds friendly. It shows you're polite. I like that. What if the person is in a hurry? Do you think they still help?
Sometimes they say, "Sorry, I don't know," or "I'm in a rush." But that's okay. You just smile and say, "Thank you anyway," and ask someone else. No big deal. Once, a guy told me he was from out of town too, so we were both lost together. We laughed about it.
Oh no, that's funny. Okay, let's act out a full conversation. I'll be the person who's lost, and you be the stranger on the street. Ready?
Sure, go ahead.
"Excuse me. Hi, sorry to bother you. I'm a little lost. Can you help me?"
Of course. What are you looking for?
"I'm trying to find the city library. Is it far from here?"
The library? Oh, it's not too far. Just walk straight down this street for 2 blocks, then turn left at the big coffee shop. You'll see it on your right, next to the park.
Straight for 2 blocks. Turn left at the coffee shop. On my right. Got it. Is it easy to see?
Yeah, it's a big building with a red door. You can't miss it. It takes about 10 minutes to walk.
Thank you so much. That's really kind of you.
No problem at all. Have a great day.
See? That was simple. We used easy words like straight, turn left, 2 blocks, on your right. Beginners can remember these.
Exactly. Let me add one more thing. Sometimes you need to ask again if you don't understand. Like, "Sorry, can you say that again slowly?" Or, "Is it near the bus stop?"
Good point. I did that once. I asked an old man for directions to the hospital. He spoke really fast at first, so I smiled and said, "I'm sorry, my English is still learning. Can you speak slower, please?"
And did he help?
Yes. He slowed down and even walked with me for 1 block to show me. People can be so nice. It made my day better.
That's a sweet story. It shows asking for directions isn't just about finding a place. It's also about connecting with people a little.
True. Now, let's think about what to do if you can't find anyone nice, or if it's late at night. What then?
Good question. In that case, use your phone if you can, or go into a store and ask the staff. They're usually happy to help. Or look for a police officer. They're there to help.
Yeah, I always feel safer asking a woman or someone with kids. They seem more patient. Not that men are bad. You're nice, Jake.
Thanks. Hey, remember that time we were together in Chicago? We got lost trying to find that famous pizza place.
Oh yes, we asked 3 different people. The first one said go straight. The second said turn right. But the third guy gave perfect directions and even told us the pizza was amazing. We had so much fun eating there.
Exactly, and we practiced our English the whole time. It turned a bad moment into a good story.
So, for our viewers, here's the simple steps. First, get the person's attention politely. Excuse me. Second, say you're lost or need help. I'm a little lost. Can you help me? Third, tell them the place. How do I get to the train station? Or where's the nearest supermarket? Fourth, listen carefully. Repeat back what they say to check. So, go straight and turn right? Fifth, always say thank you. Thank you so much.
And don't forget body language. Smile, look friendly, point if you need to show directions. It helps even if your words are simple.
What about vocabulary? Let's list some easy words everyone should know. Straight ahead. Turn left. Turn right. At the traffic lights. Next to the bank. Across from the park. 2 blocks away. About 5 minutes walk. Is it far?
Perfect. Practice saying them slowly. Turn left at the lights. See? Short and clear.
Now, let's do another role play. This time, make it a little harder. Suppose you're looking for a doctor's office in a new neighborhood.
Okay, I'll be lost this time.
Hi there.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. I'm looking for Dr. Smith's office. Do you know where it is?
Sure, it's near here. Go straight past the grocery store, then turn right at the corner. It's the white building on the left. You'll see a sign.
Past the grocery store, turn right, white building on the left. Thank you. Is it open now?
Yes, it should be. Good luck.
Nice. See how we added "is it open now"? That's useful too.
Yeah, you can ask extra questions like, how long does it take? Or, should I take a bus?
One funny story from me. Last year I asked for directions to a museum. The lady said, "It's right there," and pointed behind me. I was standing in front of it the whole time.
Oh my gosh, that happens to everyone. It was probably super close, but you felt lost.
Totally. So don't feel bad if it happens. Just laugh and say thank you.
Okay, let's wrap this up with some final thoughts. Asking a stranger for directions is a great way to practice real English. It helps you feel more confident when you travel or even in your own city.
Yes, start small. Practice with a friend first, like we did today. Then try it for real. Most people are kind and patient. And if someone can't help, no problem. Just try again.
Exactly. The more you do it, the easier it gets. And who knows? You might make a new friend or hear a nice story.
So, our takeaway today: be polite, speak slowly, smile, and don't be afraid to ask. You've got this.
Thanks for watching with us. If you liked this, please like the video, subscribe, and comment below. Have you ever asked a stranger for directions? What happened? We read all your comments.
Yeah, share your stories. See you in the next video. Take care, everyone.
Bye!